Hello viewers, in this video under mathematics I'm going to be taking you through the theoretical background of functions. So we have that from definition, function is the relation between a set of inputs, which is called the domain, and a set of output, which is also known as the range. And so what this means is, if you for instance have, this could be a function, you have f of x equal to 2x, okay? So now this x, this if f of x is the function and this is supposed to be the output value if you have the input. So when you are looking at a function, you are looking at the relationship between the domain and the range. The domain being the input value of the function, this is the input value of the function, this is the input, and the range or codomain, which is the output value of the function. That is, if you bring in the value of x here, assuming if we say x here equal to 2, at this point we are going to have 2 into 2, and this will give us 4. So which means the input now is 2, which is the domain, and the output now is 4, which is the range or codomain. So when you are talking about functions, you look at the key characteristics of a function. We have the domain, which is simply the set of input values or variable. We have the range, which is the set of output variable like we've had here. And we have what we call mapping in a function. Mapping is simply a rule that connects two sets of things. Mapping is simply a rule that connects two sets of things. So if you have the domain and the range, the rule that connects these two is what we call mapping. Another example of mapping is, if you have your name, and you have your phone number, and so your name, you have a situation whereby you've saved your name and it has been linked to your phone number. So anytime you type out your name, or you're searching for your phone number, maybe you are trying to type out your phone number, your name will automatically pop out. That is mapping. That is because your name has been linked somehow to your phone number. So that's what mapping does. Mapping is simply a rule that connects two sets of things. Now, in talking about a function, we have what we call notation of a function. So a function is always denoted by f of x. F of x, a function is always denoted by f of x. And so the f here or here is the name of the function. It can be anything. Now x is the input variable. I've said that before. And f of x is the output variable. Let's take a simple example. Now, if we have f of x equal to 2x plus 1, and we said that x is equal to 2, it means we are going to have 2 into, replace x with 2 plus 1, and that will give us 5. Now, this is our range. This 2 here is our domain, which is our input function or input value or input variable. This is our output value, or you can call it range, and this is the f is the name of the function, and f of x is the what is used to denote the function itself. And then we have different types of function. We have polynomial, we have rational function, we have trigonometric function, we have exponential function, we have log function, composite, inverse, periodic, piecewise, absolute value function. So this is basically an introduction into the theoretical background on function. In my next video, I'm going to be solving problems, or to show you how to apply each of these different types of function in solving mathematical problems. Thank you.